I'm adding a reinforcement. Just don't let go.
Oh!
Here, come here. Then you come here. Come here, come here. You do this. Or was it strong or is it okay?
It's okay.
Hold it tight.
Oh, Jesus. Oh!
Thank you. Got it. Okay, you're gonna first do visual alignment. Okay, so to understand these instructions properly, you're gonna lift these bumpers like that. It's gonna go something like that, and then you're going to attach this underneath the rubber like that. It's still kind of off though. Well, this is a tough one. Okay, so see how it's loose? Okay, so now this one, I can proceed to align this one. This one fits nicely. Okay, so now it's through. Get your alt-rider bolt. So get the bolt that alt-rider sends you. And they want you to go in from the right side first. So from right to left, so this is the right side of my bike. They want this Mylar washer between the frame and the crash bar, and you stick it through. Well, that actually went pretty nicely. So I'm going to go on the other side now. Oh, actually, look, it missed. So, alright, so this is where I have to play around. So they want this Mylar in between, and this is gonna be a doozy because I can tell this side's stubborn. There we go. And now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I would assume it's like this. So you're going to loosely reuse the bolt, right? And you're going to put it on. Okay? And don't tighten everything down yet. What I would do is I would tighten these clamps down. Now you can go ahead and put thread locker. Well, I already put thread locker on this one, and tighten these clamp bolts down. Because it's gonna be, I gotta push it up just a bit. Boy, this is tough. Let's get them held in there, just like that for now. And it's not, beauty is not touching the cylinder head, so that's good. All right, so that side in. Okay, so now the last thing to do is to tighten the bolt. And that would be a... Okay, can you come here? Can you hold this? I'm gonna cinch down.
Why don't you put a cloth? Why don't you put a microfiber cloth?
Good idea. Well done. Okay. I'm gonna tighten it.
Hold it.
Yeah.
I mean, you could give me some kind of warning next time, like it's gonna vibrate violently.
Okay.
Oh.
Wait, hold on. Before I go, let me torque it to spec. You can relax a little bit. Let me see. It's torqued to 85 newton meters. So 85 newton meters torque. It's 19 newton meters, and there's one M10 that's instead of being 19, they said it's 50. So, but mostly it's 19. So it's really not that high. I'm so used to working on cars, so I'm used to higher torque values. But yeah, 19 newton meters is like, that's like nothing. I'll just double check. 19. I'm going to show you guys that the rubber barely touches the engine. Just if you're curious what happens when you stick this reinforcement crash bar in to push up against the rubber, it just barely touches on this side. This is the right side. You can see it's very symmetrical and very similar. Barely touches. Just FYI.